Welcome back. Now that you have an active offer, what you can do is to go to your offer page. That's going to bring you to the page that looks like this. We're going to click inside of the offer that was just created. And you're going to notice this page. You are then going to need to add a product in order to sell within that offer. So what we're going to do is we're going to click Add a Product. Now you're going to be able to add any of the available products that you have already set up inside of this offer. However, if you've not set up a product, you are then going to want to click in this area, New Product. And there are 5 general sections that we are going to need to complete. The General section, Pricing section, Payment section, and Integrations section. You're going to give your product a name, upload your product image. Once again, you're going to select a category and keywords in the very same way that you did when you're creating your offer. You're also then going to need to identify the content type that you are going to be delivering. And if you click inside of this area, you're going to see different kinds of declarations that you can make. So for example, if your product has an ebook, you can include it. You can go back to the content type. You can then include audio if it has it. You can go back to the content type, and you can select the necessary content identification. Now you do have an optional field here if your product is going to be sold by a webinar. That webinar can be live or automated. What you can do here is you can toggle this button on for this individual product. You can indicate the specifics about the webinar you're going to be using. Now what you'll notice here is that you have several ways to identify the kind of webinar you are going to be using. Now there is no particular integration in this area. You are identifying this to WarriorPlus as well as giving your JV details about the product that they are going to be promoting. Now for the sake of this video, we're going to toggle this control off. You'll then need to decide how you want to deliver your product. If you are going to deliver the customer a thank you page, you'll want to place that inside of the access URL. You're also going to want to give that access URL to the WarriorPlus team in case they have to check out your offer. You can also provide a download file here in this area by browsing to the place on your hard drive and connecting it to your WarriorPlus account. So for the sake of this video, we're going to provide an access URL instead of the download file. So we're going to provide the access URL in this space as well as in the admin access info area. What we're going to do now is stop the video here. We're going to pick it up from licensing. Now one thing you're going to want to be aware of is that if you click the save button, you're going to lose some of the information that you've already placed in. When you work through a WarriorPlus product setup, you're going to want to go through the entire process before you save it, even if you must leave it active in your browser if you need to step away from your personal computer. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.